Hi guys, I'm back with the gel polish mini. So Madam Glam had sent me over some gel polishes to feature on my channel. So thank you to Madam Glam for sending me these polishes. And y'all, I was struggling to get in this package, but we're gonna get into it. And so it was heavy and I was like, ooh. And so when I opened up, I was like, okay, we got a whole collection here. We got 8 polishes and a chrome silver liner. So y'all, we're gonna get into these swatches. And so the first color is Inner Light. This is a holographic gold, really pretty. So you can already imagine it's December. These colors are here for Christmas. Look how pretty that is. And y'all, excuse my crusty cuticles on my right hand there. The next color is Enchanted Blue, which is a holographic blue. This gives me those multicolored Christmas light vibes. I actually have a dip powder that is this exact same color from Sparkling Co. The next color is Tinsel. Of course, this is a holographic silver. Reminds you of tinsel. Y'all still putting tinsel on y'all tree? That's what I want to know. But anyway, the next color in the collection is Joy, which is another holographic color. It's a holographic deep red. Well, the red isn't deep to me. It's a holographic red. And if you can see, it has a multicolor sparkles in there as well. This color right here, Celestial Green, I thought it was absolutely beautiful. The perfect green for Christmas. It's a rich green. And actually, this is a highly pigmented color, so you could probably get away with one coat. The next one is Christmas Essence, which is a really dark red. That color right there is pretty. That's a year-round red to me. Red can go for any time of the year, my opinion. The next color is Mary Berry, which is a rich, kind of plum-like color. It pulls magenta to me. But again, you can go pink purple. And the last color in the collection is Magic Night, which is a really pretty blue. Y'all know blue is my favorite doggone color. That blue is gorgeous. Okay, and then the last item in that package was a silver chrome liner gel. And I have it in a pot, but when you look at that, look, quit playing. That thing is gorgeous. And y'all know I can't draw lines to save my life, so I'm kind of upset about it. And so here are all of the swatches together. Really gorgeous colors. Look at those holographic colors. Pretty. And so guys, these colors are from Madam Glam's House of Reflections collection. This is their collection for a new collection for the month of December. And so we're going to go ahead and get into this application. As a reminder, Madam Glam's polishes are vegan, cruelty free, 21 formula free, palm oil free, and HEMA free. And what I noticed on this bottle, usually their polishes say cure in a LED light for 30 seconds, but they changed it. These said 1 minute on the back of the bottle, and I was like, oh okay, so we're changing that up. And so I have my mani glove on when I'm using the light. I did apply 1 coat of Holo Taco Pilly base, and I decided to go in with the blue colors and apply that in a thin layer. Of course, you want to apply your gel polishes in a thin layer, and I'm going to do some line work, or attempt to do some line work, because I didn't want to do just straight up Christmas, not just yet, because I did record this in November before Thanksgiving, and so I knew I was going to release it December the 1st or right after December the 1st, so not quite Christmas nails yet, but look how pretty that color is. Absolutely gorgeous. And that color is Enchanted Blue. And so I put 2 coats of that, 2 thin coats, and I did cure for 1 minute in between each coat in my LED lamp. And so after I cure the second coat, I'm going to go in with that little heart silicone pad there. I'm going to apply that to some gel polish to that little pad, and then I have a liner brush here. I should have gotten a longer liner brush, so that's kind of my fault. I started off with the short brush. Well, here I'm doing a French kind of tip, and I kind of messed it up because my nails are rounded, and I end up putting because I didn't do a base coat, so I did not apply base coat, and I end up wanting to clean this up, and I end up taking the the peel off base coat off my nail, and I had to end up redoing, I think, 1 or 2 of my nails because I don't know why I skipped base coat, because I always put a layer of base coat down. I don't know what my thought process was, but it's okay. If you use peel off base coat, you can go on and take that right on off and start fresh. Okay, and so while y'all watch me tear that up just a little bit, I am going to tell you about Madam Glam's payment options. So they do have a VIP program that's $29 a month that you get billed for, and you receive a $29 credit. I always say this, I always consider it like a savings program for my gel polish purchases, because what I should have did, I should have let those things build up and make a purchase for Black Friday. I only had like a $58 credit, and I was like, I'll just hold it on my account because I am a VIP member. If not, you can select the pay-as-you-go option, and I do have a discount code that will save you, I believe it's 35% off your purchase. I will have the bit.ly link in the description box below, along with the discount code should you wish to make a purchase and not sign up for the VIP program. Again, you would just select the pay-as-you-go option. And so I end up doing 2 coats of color to both my that French kind of line to my middle finger and my index finger. And so on my ring finger, I got a longer liner brush. So number one, I put too much gel polish on the brush, too much. And again, here's where I had to end up taking it off, starting fresh. And the next go around, when I peeled off the peel off base coat, I did apply a coat of gel base and cure for a minute in my LED lamp. And so that line is too thick, y'all. I really don't know what I'm doing, but I wanted to try something different. So here we go, reset. And so I was like, I'm gonna do something. And so I was like, okay, I think it'd be cute if I put a little line under the French with that liner brush. Psych, that was not cute. That wasn't cute. First of all, you couldn't even see it. And I was like, Tisha, what are you doing? And I was like talking to myself, because I was talking to myself, and I was like, I don't know what's going on here. So y'all see that's gone too. I removed that too. So now I'm going in. I was like, I'm gonna put a little swoop on my pinky and color that in. Y'all, I was just trying something different. Dare to be different. I mean, if it don't work, you can always peel it off and start over, or file it off and start over. And the reason why I say peel it off, because if you use peel off base coat, you can peel it off and keep it moving and just reapply the peel off base coat, let it dry and start fresh. But anyway, I digress. And so I'm doing a little swoop on my pinky. I'm going to cure that. And I was like, oh, that's decent enough. But see, I got happy, right? And with the second coat, I was like, I'm going to put some more polish on there. And it got a little bubbly on the end, a little bumpy there. And so I'm trying that swoop again, y'all. If y'all saw my video with the acrylic paint markers, I can't draw. I was not blessed with that skill set to draw, even lines and all that stuff. But now I don't know. And so I'm doing the best I can here, And so I end up tracing that line twice, curing in between each line, each time. And then I'm going in with that liner gel, and I'm not trying to get right beside it, but close to it. And I'm going in and following that line to put some silver on the nail. Now I could have cleaned that line up with the nail brush and alcohol before I cured, but it's okay. And I wanted to put that on my pinky nail. Y'all, that silver chrome liner was easy to use, and it went on that nail smooth, like it glided really smooth. And I did end up flooding the cuticle on my ring finger when I did that, but that was okay. I'm gonna get my line straight. I'm gonna work on my lines. I gotta practice. And so I end up changing up my index finger and doing the little lines on that too. And so I'm going in with that Magic Night, which is that kind of darker kind of royal blue color, and just following up with the line on that nail as well. And I will do that on my ring finger and my index finger and cure. So I'm then going in after curing that color or the lines. I'm going in with Madam Glam's The No Wipe Top Coat and applying that to all nails and giving my nails a 30-second, because this one on the bottle it says 30 seconds, a 30-second cure in my LED lamp. And so with the gel polishes that are on the little palette there, I just spray that with alcohol, and I sprayed a paper towel with alcohol, and it wipes right on off. You just want to make sure that you don't get that gel polish or that little palette, whatever you put your gel polishes on, that you don't have it close to the lamp, because it will cure on that item. So just keep that in mind. And so of course, again, once I cured, my nails were nice and shiny, no issues whatsoever. And so again, you want to, when you finish curing, give that a few seconds, and you want to follow it with some cuticle oil. I am using Madam Glam's Elixir, which is their cuticle oil, works great. And so guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free 99. Look how easy that cleaned up. Boom, you better get you one. Easy to use, and it's really big. But anyway, I appreciate you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.